Hi guys, and welcome to Minecraft Bromlet. So I'm going to play Minecraft today, and before I play it, I'm going to open this chest. So let's go! Ow, my thumb. Okay, now I did this. Let's open it up. Doggy stuff! More doggy stuff! More doggy stuff! Okay guys, we've got all the bits out and now let's connect them all up. God, that's tough. Man, this is tough. I need someone that has done more practice here.
So you want these together?
Yep.
Ah.
See how strong.
Oh, that is tough. Do you want these in as well? Oh,
Wait.
that's all right. There we go. Put that one in there. That didn't work. That didn't work at all. That didn't work either.
It's
Definitely didn't work. There's one.
We need super strong. We need to be super strong. Oh yeah.
Ooh, that's different.
What?
There you go.
There we go. A doggy. A Minecraft doggy. Thanks for watching, and in the next video we're gonna play Minecraft.